Tweety Birds! Dana! Say, hi, Tweety Birds! Hi, Tweety Birds!
Simulan na tayo din. Makakakaya mo ba?
Oo. Oh, dito naman kami sa ano. NS Department Stores. Aiden is doing shopping. Aiden is doing shopping. Oh yeah, we're gonna canvas. Canvas. Magka-canvas kami ng prices. Thermos for what? We're gonna canvas a price. Go, go. And soon, oh, that's the favorite.
Lucky din.
Ang paborito ng ama mo. Yan, ganyan ang kapatid mo. Mga kapatid mo sa Pinas. Yan, marami mabibili dito. NS Department Store sa Sunshine Place. Giant. Bye, baka makasagi pa ako. Baby, what you gonna buy? That one? You want to buy that one? Oh, I think we have to buy this, the fan. We have to buy the fan. What do you want?
Wow.
Huh? Which one? Which one do you want? Which one? You point. Point which one? Go. Point which one? Uy, natulala ka na naman. Snap it. What? What? The spoon? Let's go.
Bumalik pag may nakita tayo.
Ibinaba na ng daddy niya siya because he have poopsie.
Bibili pa ng pang-islo.
We are on the way to Giant. Giant. Go, go, go. Aiden, so cold.
Bukas na tayo.
Uy, press! Tanga, iipitin mo. Giant. Dito makakahanap ka din ng Asian food.
Wala na din.
Meron ditong Asian corner. Filipino foods. Anong hinahanap?
Ayun mo, steam.
Oh yeah. Meron ba dito? Andun kasi yun sa... Andun kasi yun. Sa ganun.
One only.
Doing shopping. Wow! Hey! Nice! Ha?
Tama na
Enough
isa.
na ang isa! Yay! Yay! Ako'y babato!
Tatapon mo lang din.
Yak, nagaya pa. Ay! Ay, ay! Yaya! Iinom na! Babarik na! Ay! And we are going home!
Kasi,
Yay!
mo, baby.
Come! Dano! Yi! Yi! Baby!
We're going home. We're going home, baby.
Nakuha na niya ang pakay niya. And eto yon. Nakapagturo na. Sunshine Place. Sa sobrang katamudan ng ama mo, binuhat ka na lang. Yan. They're constructing a new MRT line. And yung bahay namin malapit lang. Walking distance lang to Giant, to Sunshine Place. Yay! Are you happy? Are you happy? Baby? Happy? Uy. Ano? Aidan. Baby. Baby. Ano na namang natingnan mo? Tatawid na. Aidan! Flying kiss? Nah, you're so sweet. My sweet boy. Flying kiss again? Flying kiss? How old are you? 1! Yay! Shh! Quiet, quiet! Shh! Wala na. Tatawid na kami ulit. Yan, dyan lang kami. Sa kabila. And bye! Bye, bye, bye! And we're home! Oh no! Sleepy! Say bye-bye na! Bye-bye! Say bye na to them! Bye! Bye guys! Bye, pretty birds!